Are you washing dishes na?
Yeah, more.
More, okay. Gasto mo kani siya sabon, oy. Sige, mag-more. Tarong na ha, kanang wala na sibo.
Wobble, wobble.
Bubble, bubble. Morning, everyone. It's now 7:30, so Paris is ready na. Nak, asa ka pa yung anak? Baba. Uy, asa na mo dala ng trolley? Ha? Eh, shh, say hi sa o. Bye. Oh, she had a good sleep last night. Ay, isa na siya nagmata.
Okay.
Not ba? Very warm ang good siya. Oh, yan yung outfit niya today. Second day niya sa childcare. What are you going to do today?
It's the rain.
Oh, rain, yeah. No, it's been raining outside. Since last night. You didn't hear, did you? Natulog ka man. Ba? Just kaisa naman na siya nagbibi gani. Cold. That's why you got this and you got this in the bottom.
How are we?
Yeah.
So far down the house.
Fell down? You gotta leave that one. You got your bag man. Carry your bag na. Ayun silang haba. Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go. Why? Look, guys. Oh, it's very wet. It's been raining really hard last night, nak, ba? No, it's still raining a little bit, nak. Ang ating baby ay nakapasok na. Ayan, oh, siya lang yung amupo. Big girl naman ikaw, nak, ba?
No, no. Rain, rain, rain.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again. Another day. Little Paris wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Sobrang ulan last night. Grabe, nagising talaga ako. Oh. Ay, super dilim. Alis na tayo guys. It's very maulan. We don't have umbrella. Manghiram tayo kay ano, kay Kuya. May umbrella si Kuya. Nak, you're gonna get wet, Nak. You ready? Are you ready?
It's a jellyfish.
Go!
That's good.
Nakauwi na kami sa bahay, guys. So, dinrap lang namin si Paris sa childcare kanina. And now, balik na naman kami dito kasi magtatrabaho na naman kami. Ayan, oh, si Mike, oh. Say hi, Daddy! Tapos yung computer natin yung andyan lang. And that's it really. So, it's been really cold today. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Sobrang ulan. So, I don't think Paris can go out sa sandpit nila today sa childcare. But at least, they can do a lot of things inside. Mag-work na ako guys kasi may meeting pa kami mga 9 o'clock. So, see you, bye! 1:30 na ng hapon and sabi ko kay Mike na hindi muna ako sasama sa kanya para mag-lunch break. Kasi nga, di ba, normally naglalakad kami patungong shops pag lunch break. But, today kasi guys, ang dami kong lilinisin. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, hindi na ako sasama sa iyo, ikaw na lang maglakad. And, ewan ko sa kanya guys, mamimiss niya siguro ako. Hindi siya umalis. Daddy, are you going to miss me? That's why you didn't go?
Go where?
Or a walk?
Yeah.
Lunch break?
Yeah, of course.
So, yun nga, hindi nga siya nag-lunch break din. So, yung ginawa niya, nag-order na lang siya ng Uber Eats. Ewan ko kung ano yung binili niya para sa akin. But guys, nandito tayo sa beauty room ko kasi ito yung plano ko talaga today, guys. Kaya hindi ako nag-lunch break, hindi ako na lumabas. Kasi, I'll show you. My Lord Jesus Christ. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Hala. Grabe gid siya guys. May bomba pala dito guys sa kwarto namin. Hindi ko napansin. Guys, tingnan nyo. Oh, wala ng mga, wala na organized. And there, so messy. And dito is so messy din. Ayan, oh, kasi dito naglaro si Paris nung nag-film kami. And, kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi talaga ito maaari, guys. Kailangan natin linisin to kasi, ewan ko, guys, samot ka, gubot akong buhok kaning kalakihan eh. But yeah, I'm just gonna go clean up and stay with me, guys. Dumating na yung in-order ni Mike, guys, from Uber Eats. Ayan, oh. So, I think it's just ham and cheese toast. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Tapos, iced chocolate. Kasi tinanong niya ako, guys, kung anong gusto ko. Sabi ko, whatever. Tapos ito yung pinili niya, guys. Very healthy, no? Very healthy talaga. Alright, tapusin na natin yung paglilinis, guys. Nakatanggap tayo ng update from the childcare. And dito, ito yung natatanggap ko, guys. Ayan, oh. Good afternoon to all the families and welcome to our daily report. Tapos nasabi nila lahat yung mga ginagawa ng mga kids. Ayan. And then they show photos. Ayan si Paris, guys, oh, sa likod. And ayan. Naglalaro sila. And they are reading books. Ayan. Ayan, tingnan yung mukha niya, oh. Tingnan niyo. Very happy yan siya. Tapos may parachute pa sila, guys. Laro sila ng ganyan. Kaya these are things na hindi namin nagagawa dito sa bahay talaga. And there's more here. Ayan, sa parachute lang. Tingnan niyo siya, oh. We'll see if there's more. Ah, they made a slime pala. Ayan. Very messy yan sila. But it's good. It's really good. It really makes me really happy, guys, pag nakatanggap ako ng mga photos. Yung update pala kanina, guys, is so sa snacks pala, guys, nila kaninang umaga. Sabi dito, Paris had a mango and banana smoothie. Ayan. And then sa lunch nila, Paris had a beef pasta. And then 51 minutes ago dito sa phone ko, guys, sabi Paris is sleeping. So at the moment, Paris is sleeping, guys. So, yun. So, habang natutulog si Paris siya, naglilinis naman ang kanyang mama dito kasi very gubot. Malapit na tayong matapos dito, guys, kasi malapit na rin matapos ang ating lunch break. So, bilisan na natin. A few moments later. Guys, natapos din tayo. Papakita ko sa inyo yung result natin, ha? Handa na ba kayo? Ayan. So, makikita nyo na ang ating floor is clean. Ayan. So, start from here. Yan, ito yung binili ni Mike from Uber Eats. And dyan. Tapos, nalinisan ko na guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, wala siyang kalat dito. I wiped it also. Tapos, dyan, na-arrange ko na yung mga sapatos ni Paris and all. And dito sa side na to guys is na-organize ko na siya ulit. Tapos, I wiped it too. So, wala nang mga dust. The only thing here is this one. So, ito yung mga damit na gusto kong i-try on haul, guys. And ayoko namang ipasok sila sa wardrobe. Tapos, ilalabas ko na naman ulit. So, I'll just keep them there. And then, pag nagka-time tayo, gagawa natin ng video. Palagi ko na lang yung sinasabi, guys, na gagawa natin ng video. But, ay, ang busy ng lola nyo. Hindi talaga natin nagagawa ng video. But, anyways, I'm very happy, guys. Ayan, oh, very happy. Very clean again. And ready na naman siya para ating bungkagin mamaya pagdating ni Paris. Alas 4:30 na ng hapon, mga people. So, I'm still in front of my computer, guys, kasi nagtatrabaho pa ako. But gusto ko lang mag-share ng something sa inyo. Yung sister ko, she called me earlier kasi tinanong niya ako kung balikbayan box pa ba kami na hinihintay. Tapos, sabi ko, I think wala naman kasi parang na-receive na naman lahat yung balikbayan boxes na pinadala namin. Tapos, sabi niya, kasi nasa shop kasi siya, sabi niya, tinawagan daw siya ng mama ko, kasi yung mama ko nasa bahay, na may box na dumating. Tapos, sabi ko, ha, bakit may box na dumating? Eh, diba natanggap na lahat? And then, we realized na meron pa palang isa, guys, na hindi namin napansin. Like, we sent it nung nandito pa siya, guys, sa Australia. So, nakalimutan na namin siya kasi normally, dumarating doon, every, mga 6 to 8 weeks, dumarating na yung box sa Pilipinas sa amin. So, yung isa, guys, na naulahi pala, missing siguro yun siya. Tsaka pa dumating. And, I'm not complaining, guys, no? Kasi nga, nakalimutan na namin talaga. Hindi ko talaga alam na meron pa palang isa na hindi dumating. But, yeah, it's a blessing. It's really good. Everyone is happy. Tapos, tinawagan nila ako para mag-video call. Kasi every time na nakakatanggap sila ng box, nagbi-video call kami para makita ko yung reaction nila. Kasi yun lang talaga yung gusto ko, guys. Pag nakita kong masaya sila, excited sila, it makes me really, really happy. Kaya, tinawagan nila ako para mag-video call. And, nasa meeting kasi ako, guys, kaya hindi ko nasagot yung tawag. But, minessage ko yung sister ko, sabi ko, mag-video ka na lang para i-insert ko mamaya sa vlog ko. Yung video niya, guys, i-insert ko dito sa video natin ngayon, guys, para makita niyo yung reaction nila. Like, they're very, very happy. And, yeah, it just makes my heart smile pag masaya yung family ko. So, watch the video, guys.
Busy lang pa nang, guys. Paunta mo nang mo pa. Punta na mo nabdawiran pa.
Yan, yan yung kalmigil.
Leggings. Si Kuya nakita. Alak ka. Si Kuya, may mo ma. Kaya na nakawag. Ano, naunsa naman yung banat eh. Ligaya.
Yung kon pa, yung kon sa kanang diriyong ba?
Ayo.
Ikaw sa
1, 2, 3, smile! Imo!
Abiyat!
Nagka-atwak na siya sa iyong
Pia!
bakang.
Dali, Pia! Hello? Nanay mo? Hello?
Hindi na, dagan, diha.
Hello, everyone. I'm here to pick up Paris. To say hi, Nak.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Did you have a good day, Mama? Huh?
I just open door.
Open, yeah. We're gonna go pick up your bag. Yeah, come here. Maybe they put your water bottle inside the bag. B, let's check your bag, B. Ay. Hello, wala na rin, Nak. That's okay. I think they're going to change the water tomorrow, Nak. It's okay, Nak. Let's just take the bag.
Buy me water.
Buy you water. Yeah, here you go. Do you want to carry your bag? Let's go. Wait.
Mom, help.
Mommy help. Okay, come on. hang on. We're gonna close the door. Go, so we can close the door. There you go. Yeah. Fish. Shh. Don't make a noise. There's a fish. Where's Daddy? Do you know?
Fish.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Daddy, the car.
Yeah, Daddy's waiting in the car.
Fish how?
Push. Good girl. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Go run. Yay! Daddy here. Daddy here?
I missed you.
Sa bahay na kami, guys. Ayan, oh. Silang dalawa naka-chill. Gusto kong i-off na yung clothes ni Paris. Pero ayaw niya, guys. She really likes the, very warm siguro siya. Kaya ayan sila, oh. Ang mag-ama. Chilling lang. Nag-stop kami quickly sa, sa grocery shopping center is kasi bumili ako ng salmon, guys. Oh, kasi gusto ko ng salmon. And nagluto rin ako ng bigas, ng kanin para i-pair natin sa fish. Hello, everyone! Ayan na siya. Kumakain siya ng mango. Ayun niyang i-take off yung niya, guys. Oh, boots niya. Nak, we'll take the boots off. Take the boots off para comfortable. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nak, how's your school today, Nak? Nak, did you have a good day? Baba? Ayaw niya kong pansinin, guys. Kaya nanood siya ng Peppa Pig. Did you have a nice day? Huh? Did you? Nam. What are you eating? What are you eating? Mango? Kiss Mama. Kiss Mama. What would you like?
Baby.
What would you like?
Baby.
Tigulang naman ka na. Tigulang naman ka. What do you say? Please. Kiss them. Say hi. Hi, everyone. What did you do in school?
No.
Baby na fell down na. Kiss mama.
Baby for the house.
Did you fall down?
For the house.
What are you gonna have for dinner? Fish. Fish and rice. Fish and rice?
Now, it's rice. Why?
Eat rice.
It's rice.
What's your favorite food?
Rice. Rice.
Do you like rice? Do you like rice? Ito na ang ating helper for tonight. Nak, are you washing dishes, Nak?
Yeah, boy.
More, okay. Gasto mo ka na siyang sabon, oy. Sige, mag-more. Tarong na ha, karang wala na sibo.
Wobble.
Babo.
Or cream.
Kahinay ba kanimo, Nak? Wait, Nak. Paspas ba? Kay, oh, there's more, to wash.
What? Mom.
No more naman ta sabon mo. Kung makanaman ka sa kabuk, sige kag more. There you go. That's it na. Finish na ha. Kay hot na ta. Wow. Good girl mo na, baby ay. Thank you, princess.
What?
Brush your teeth. How to brush your teeth. Show them how to brush your teeth. This is the way I brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Good girl, Baba. Come on and wash tayo sa face. Hi guys! So, time check is 8:06 na ng gabi and Paris is here now just watching on her iPad and nakabihis na siya guys for, for bed. Say hi sa anak, B? Say hi sa atong friends na.
No.
No. Ayaw niya guys. Wala siya sa mood. Yun lang yung video natin for today. And nakita niyo naman kanina guys, no, yung reaction ng family ko guys dun sa box na natanggap nila. It really made me very, very happy, guys. Kung pwede lang sana magpadala every month, guys, gagawin ko. But yung ginagawa ko, guys, yung mga bagay na hindi ko na ginagamit, yung mga damit ko, and damit ni Paris, damit ni Mike, and also yung sa kitchen, yung mga kasi minsan bumibili kami ng bago, and instead of itapon siya, guys, nilalagay ko sa balikbayan box para mapadala ko sa family ko. Kasi kahit gaano kaliit pag pinadala ko sa Pilipinas, guys, yeah, they really appreciate it. So, magsha-shoutout na tayo guys. Thank you very much sa ating mga bagong subscribers. And sana patuloy niyong panoorin yung mga videos natin. And kung meron man kayong mga suggestions, let us know sa comment section below. So let's start with Sofia Mangilin, Princess Silanga, June Ray Gikan, April Rose Romero, Odisa Donghil, Janet Gordon, Kathleen Domo, Rosemary Romoir, Amy and Anthony, hello Day, Ate May, Red Sibial, Michael David Oiko, Jess Shill, Little Miss Isay, Eileen Kaliv, hello Day, Mary Rose Machete, Mariville Patiag, Marisol Dayaw, Laarni TV, Anariza Aloro, Loving Woman, Da Jayumas, Merlina Mendoza, Jane Solitario, Mary Jane Subere, among silingan, hello, Day, Maria Victoria Hermida, The Siats, ewan ko paano pag-pronounce nito, Sisi, The Siats, yata, Jeffrey Talon, Richard Antiga, Lolis Family, hello Day, Rosette Pasyente, Daragang Magayon, Cactus PH, Michay Cads, Marilyn Drudge, Christine Joy Tabak, Lizelle Iga, Simply Norge, Maria Dimna Baliber, hello sis, Glyza May Quino. Meron palang nag-message sa akin sa Facebook, guys. Ngayon ko lang nabasa. So, I'm very sorry. Sis Marife Pagikan. Sabi niya, hello po. Ang galing niyo po mag-vlog. Na-enjoy po ako sa vlog niyo. Bago lang po ako nakasubscribe po sa'yo. Shout out naman po. Marife Pagikan, Consolacion, Cebu. Thank you! Thank you, sis, for watching. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo. Please give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I really hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Nakbay sa anak! Bye!
Bye.
Wave your hand ba?
Bye.
Bye, guys!
Bye.